In this video, we're going to show you how to integrate Zoom to your e-learning platform. Of course, you log in into the system as an administrator. You could do the virtual app integration, and you create a new app, add Zoom app. You put the name, description, and those three information, the account, client, and the client secret, we need to get them from Zoom. We're gonna show you how in the next few minutes actually, or seconds. And if you have a free account, Zoom account, so you just leave this box unchecked, because it gives the information like Zoom allows you only for 40 minutes if you have a free subscription. So just leave it for free. But if you have a paid account, you can check this box. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you how to create Zoom app to have this information. You log in. Of course, you need first to have Zoom account. If you don't have Zoom account, create it. It's free. You go to zoom.com and you create the account. And once you create the account, this is personal account. So you go here under the admin, you will find advanced. So you click on the add marketplace. Once you are in the app, in the marketplace, you go on the right side under develop and you say choose build an app. It's important to use the second option, which is server to server with application, and you create the app. Give it a name. I'll give it new Zoom app, let's say, for testing. Okay, you create the app. Once you create the app, you will come into the app screen. Okay, those are the three pieces of information that we need to put it in your platform. So the account ID, the client ID, sorry, and the client secret, exactly the same information. So you copy them and put them in your e-learning platform. There is one more step. Before it was generated automatically, but now you have to do it yourself. So you go to the information. What we need to do, we need to activate the application, and in order to activate, you need to put some information. So here is you put let's say the application name, description if you want the description, company name if you want, let's say you put your information, name, so say Sam, email, you put your email at any email, gmail.com, let's say. Okay, and you click continue. Just skip this one, accept the default one is for features, and this is important one. So in order to work now, they changed the layout of the scope, but anyway, without details, you need to add what it's known as a scope. I'm going to show you how. We basically need to add two scopes. First one, you go to the user, and under the user you will find view, and let's say view user information and manage user. You extend it and you choose create a user. Let's look for this one. This is the one we want. Once you select it, you will find user in. So this is the first one we need to add from the scope. You don't need to go anywhere. You just look for the meeting. There is another scope called meeting, and in the meeting we need to create meeting for the user. View and manage all user meeting. We'll choose this one, and here we're gonna choose create. We look for it, create this one. So again, in the meeting, use create meeting for a user, and you will find this under view and manage all user meeting. So first you go to the meeting, under this one you extend it and you choose this one. Just pause for a second so you take a note. If you will find it easy, it's easy to find. Okay, again, for the user, you choose user, under view user information and manage users, you extend it and you go and select create user. Okay, and once you're done, you click done. Okay, so you will have the information here, and you click continue. Okay, once you I missed the information. Company name EP Master. Continue. I'm not gonna change anything. Continue. I just missed the company name. If you miss information, I will tell. Now that we put the information, and the most important thing is the scope, so take your time and make sure that you get it right. Okay, you need to activate your application. So once you're done, you say activate the application. Okay, so now I'm done here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to application credential, and I'm gonna copy this information. I'm gonna go to EP Master and say new test Zoom app. Okay, I put the information here, I copy it. I'll go to the marketplace, client ID. Okay, and the client secret, copy client secret. Okay, and I'll give it description if you want. Make sure that it's activated. You say save. Now you see here I have new test Zoom app. This is the new one I just added. Now we're gonna test it. We're gonna see we're gonna create Zoom meeting with this one. So we'll go to courses. Now we want to test the app that we already created in Zoom. So we'll go to any course and click on the content, and we add Zoom meeting. Just give it like a new Zoom class lesson, anything. Okay, let's just give and you can just accept the default, and here we'll choose the one we created. It's very good that we can create multiple Zoom accounts or Zoom applications. So for example, if you have let's say you wanted to conduct multiple classes at the same time for different groups, so each instructor can create the meeting using a different account. So this way you create different meeting start at the same time. Okay, also you may have like each one have a different username and password, so it's really good feature that you can create multiple accounts. So this is the one we just created. We called it new test Zoom app. You can add the description, you can choose whatever you want and just keep it simple. So that's it actually. Let's create save. Once it's accepted, that means the application created the Zoom add Zoom server, so that means it's working. Now we have it here, new Zoom class lesson. Now when a teacher want to explain a lesson, let's say to a group of students online, so he joined the meeting from here because I'm logged in as an instructor. So you go to the course content, and this is the Zoom meeting. So he click on the preview. Once he create on the preview, he has the information about the meeting. So here is the link, and the learner or the student will have also this information when he study the course. So there are two ways of you can click on the link, and if you If you're not then have an account on the machine, you will need to put the meeting password, or you can go to any site and click Zoom and put the meeting ID and the password. So here I will just click on the link. Remember, I created the application using this account, so the machine or the browser knows that I am the host. I am the one who created Sam Tom. So now we can see the meeting launched. If I'm not logged from this machine, I will need to go and put the password for the meeting. Okay, so that it's already working. So we click on the end just for the demo. I ended the meeting, and that's it. Thank you.